Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಟು ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಎದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿದ್ರ? ಎರಡು ಕಾಫಿ.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Ritisha?
What, sir?
Ritisha.
sir.
ಎರಡು ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾ.
No.
ಫರ್ಹಾನ್ ಶೇಖ್ ಆಹಿಲ್ ಫರ್ಹಾನ್. ಲಿಖಿತ್ ದರ್ಶನ್.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
NK ದರ್ಶನ್. ಅನೀಶ್ ಸತ್ಯವರ್ಧನ್.
Yes, sir.
ಶಿವಾಣಿ ಗೌರವ್ ಇಂಚರನ.
Yes, sir.
ಕೌಶಲ್ ಧನುಷ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಜಯಸೂರ್ಯ ಜಯಂತ್ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ರಂಜಿತ್ ಚೇತನ್ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕೌಶಿಕ್.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಹಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋರ್ನವಿಟಾ
No, sir.
ರಾಗಿ ಮಾಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿದ್ರ? ಯಾರು
No,
ಕುಡಿ?
sir.
Nothing, sir.
No, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತು? 10 minutes ಆಯ್ತು. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So we'll solve some problems. So page number 130, question number 13. Rotational variables and all is that one. 130. See, 13th question. The angular velocity of a rotating body is, so the angular velocity they have given, that is 4I plus J minus 2K. The linear velocity of the body whose position vector is, so position vector they have given, the position vector R equals to what? 2I plus 3J minus 3K. So angular velocity and position vector they have given. Now you need to calculate linear velocity. So what is the relation between these two? So linear
V
velocity
is equal to angular velocity into R.
cross R. Okay. So vector product. So that can be written as what? That is just omega cross R. If you do, then you will get the linear velocity. So we are using determinant method. So omega equals omega cross R we doing. Therefore, first you have to write the omega values 4, 1, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 3. So from this, how we are doing? I into row column we are doing 1 into minus 3, AD minus BC, that is minus 2 into 2. Next minus J into AD minus BC, that is 4 into minus 3 minus, 4 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2 plus K into 4 into 3 minus 1 into 2. Simplify this. Minus 3 minus 2 into minus 4 minus J into minus 12 minus 4 plus K into 12 minus 2. What you will get finally? Minus into minus plus 4 minus 3 minus into minus plus minus 12 plus 4 minus 8 minus into minus plus 8 8J. 12 minus 2 10 plus 10.
Sir, option is only not there. Option is not there, sir.
Sir, which book, sir?
JE means book for volume.
Volume 3.
First only we missed Seema. So AD minus BC. This IK and J from AD 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 is 6. Plus 6 minus 3.
Plus 3.
right? 14th one. A table fan rotating at a speed of 2400 revolution per minute is switched off, and the resulting variation of the revolution per minute with time is shown in the figure. The total number of revolutions of the fan before it comes to rest is. So revolution per minute. Revolution per minute. What is revolution per minute? Nothing but a frequency. So frequency is nothing but a frequency. Number of revolutions per second. Number of revolutions per second is nothing but a frequency. SI units are second inverse or hertz. Hertz. That they have given. And here time they have given. Right. So values are, so this is 600 and here 2400. And 8, 16, 24. Like this. So initially it is starting rotating with the 2400 revolution per minute. Suddenly they switched off. Then it comes to rest. It comes to rest. Then what is the number? They're asking. Total number of revolution of the fan before it comes to rest. So if revolution per minute and time they have given. So if we calculate area of that graph, then you will get the total number of revolutions. Total number of revolutions. So area of this graph. So calculate the area of this graph. So area under FT graph. FT graph gives number of revolutions. Number of revolutions. Calculate area of that one. So here two triangles. Yes, two triangles, right? So area. Triangle, rectangle, triangle. Calculate that one. So number of revolutions equals to area. So half into first triangle. If you consider this one, the first triangle. So 1, 2, 3. First one is triangle. Half into base into height. So base is how much? 8 minus 0 into height
8.
is how much? 2400 minus
600.
600. So this will be 8 minus 0 into 2400 minus plus second one. And that is nothing but area of rectangle. That is 600 into 8. 600 minus 0 by 8 minus 0. Plus another one is half into base is how much? 24 minus 8 into height
600.
600. Calculate this. 400 minus 2400 minus 600 is 1800. 1800 by 2 is 900. 900 into 8. 7,200. Yes. One more thing we forgot. So here they are asking per minute. They have given in 2,000 per minute now. So therefore you have to divide with 60.
60.
60 because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Similarly, 600 by 8 into 60. And here also 600 by 60. Okay. Now simplify. So 2,800, 1800, 10 cancel, it will be in 300, 13. 2,400 minus 600 is
30, sir.
1800. 1800 by 60 is 13.
Yes, sir. 30.
8 by 2 is 4. 4 into 3,
120.
120. Plus 80 plus this will be 10. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So 8 into 10, 80. Finally, it will be 8. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat why is it 600 minus 0 by 60?
Number of revolutions, this one. See, 600 revolution per minute, no? Height I am considering. Height is how much in the third triangle? So in this triangle, what is the height?
600.
600. So just I can 600 minus, height means 600 minus 0, na? Or 600.
Yes, sir.
So it is in revolution per minute they have given. So that's why divided by 60 I have did. Revolution, I converted into revolution per second.
Okay, sir.
So revolution per minute equals to what? Revolution per 60 seconds. Okay. That I have did.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
For square 600 into 4, no, sir. Why you took 600 into 8?
600 into 4.
Means 4 sides are there, no?
That second one you are asking 600 into 8.
Yes, sir.
Hey. This is not a plane, that is rectangle. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So length
Okay.
is 8, breadth is 600. So for 600 into 8.
Yeah, okay, sir.
But
Understood.
600 they have given in minutes. I am converting into seconds. Therefore 600 by 60 into 8. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Next one. Finished, huh? Shall I go for next one? Actually, I am not satisfied with this lesson, ma.
Why, sir?
I only not satisfied after teaching you.
Sir, offline classes will come, no, sir.
Maybe. No, this lesson especially. This lesson I didn't satisfy.
Sir, once again, you will revise all, no, sir?
Yeah, ma. We'll revise, but not this much detail and all. Okay. So thereafter, once we cut it, only concepts we are revising properly. Concepts only. We'll revise. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, next 15th one. the average angular velocity of the seconds hand of a watch, if the seconds hand of the watch completes one revolution in 1 minute, is one revolution in 1 minute. So how much time it takes? Revolution per minute. So one revolution equals to one revolution. It takes 1 minute. No? One revolution equals to 1 minute it takes. Okay. Then what are the number of revolutions? Nothing but a 1 minute if you convert into second, that is 60. No. Huh?
Yes,
See.
sir. 60 seconds.
So for one revolution, what is the displacement, ma? Displacement. So that is nothing but a 2 pi, yeah?
Yes,
Angular
sir.
displacement.
Yes, sir.
For one revolution, the displacement will be 2 pi. For one revolution equals to what? 2 pi. Angular displacement is 2 pi. For 2 revolutions into 2. 3 revolutions into 3. N revolutions into N. Okay. So this how much time it takes?
60
This seconds
seconds.
at 60 minutes. Sorry, so 1 minute. 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds. Huh? So therefore 2 pi equals to how much? 60 seconds. 2 pi equals 60. So finally we can write this one. Angular velocity omega equals to, instead of that, see, this all don't want to directly, I will tell you. Angular velocity equals to linear velocity is nothing but a distance by time, linear velocity. So angular velocity will be angular displacement by time. Angular displacement by time. That is theta by t. T. Here t is the time period. For one revolution, what is the angular displacement? Nothing but a 2 pi, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Where t equals to called time period. Do you know what is time period? Time period. Time period is nothing but a time taken to complete one oscillation. Time taken to complete one oscillation or one revolution. Understood? One revolution. That is called time period. Time period. So for seconds, how much time it takes? 1 minute, no? Time period equals to how much? 1 minute. 1 minute is nothing but how much? 60 seconds, sir? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Radians per second. So here, time period t equals to how much? 1 minute, because for one revolution, or t equals to 60 seconds. The angular displacement of a particle is given by theta equals to, so angular displacement they are given, that is theta equals to pq plus t square plus t plus 1. Then its angular velocity at t equals to 2 seconds is. So at t equals to 2 seconds, its angular velocity. See, displacement you know, then angular velocity. So we know that if angular velocity equals what? Rate of change of displacement,
Yes, sir.
d theta by dt. So omega equals to d by dt of theta is what? Substitute theta here. T cube plus t square plus t plus 1. What is the formula? So d by dt of t power n equals to n into t power n minus 1. This is the formula. So here omega equals to nothing but a d by dt of t cube. N instead of n, what is there? 3 is there. Therefore, 3 into t power 3 minus 1 is what? T square
Yes, sir.
plus 2 into t power 2 minus 1 is 1. 2t
2t.
plus dt by dt is 1. And d by dt of constant will be 0. Formula. D by dt of constant equals to what? 0. Here constant is all the numerical values without any variables will give the constant. That is 0. So plus 0. Okay. They're asking at 2 equals to t 2 seconds. No? So at t equals to 2 seconds. Substitute the t value there. If omega equals to 3 into 2 square is nothing but a 4
Yes, sir.
plus 2 into 2 plus 1. Omega equals to 12 plus 4, 16, 17. 17. What are the units? Radians per second. I guess many of you not seen the timetable, I guess. Huh? ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಂತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ 9 o'clock ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ 9 o'clock ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. Right, next one. Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
See, 17th problem, continuation of 16th only. In the above problem, the angular acceleration of the particle, angular acceleration they have given. So at the same, at t equals to 2 seconds only. So first to find the consider velocity. What is the velocity for? Velocity we got, that is 3t square plus 2t plus 1. This is the velocity, angular velocity. So angular acceleration equals to what? Rate of change of linear velocity. Na? Therefore, alpha equals to, so d by dt of 3t square plus 2t plus 1. Same apply this formula. So alpha equals to 3 already it is there. Then d by dt of t square can be written as 2t plus
60 plus 2.
2 into t. 2 into t d by dt will be 1. Therefore 2 plus into 1 plus 0. So alpha equals to 3 into 60 plus 2.
So radian, 14 radian per second
T
square.
equals to 2 seconds they are asking.
Sir,
Yes.
can you once tell portions for tomorrow's exam, sir?
What?
Can you tell once the portions for tomorrow's exam, sir?
No, I will tell you.
Sir, tomorrow which exam, sir?
All exams will be there, ma. For you, PU exams are not there, no?
No, sir, it's
No, sir, I
alternate.
think no, sir.
It's alternate Saturdays. Like 1 week Saturday is there, 1 week Saturday it's not there, like that.
PU.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Competitive regularly it is there, right?
That is there, sir.
I will forward pa once in your group. We can check it once, okay? So
What,
that
sir?
is 40%, 100% this week portion.
40.
I will send you once you can check the syllabus. Okay. Finished? Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir. Sir, answer is 14, not 12.
12 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir. So, which you said you'll send tomorrow. They have already sent in the group 40%.
Sent already.
Yes, sir.
18. A stationary wheel starts rotating about its own axis at uniform angular acceleration 8 radians per second square. The time taken by it to complete 77 rotations is. So here time they have given, see, a wheel starting from rest. A stationary wheel. Stationary wheel means its initial angular velocity is 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Starts rotating about its own axis at uniform angular acceleration. So angular acceleration they given, it is alpha equals to what? 8 radians per second square. Time taken by it to complete 77 rotations. How many rotations is to complete? N equals to how much? 77 rotations. Rotations andru, revolutions andru, oscillations andru, ella unde. Okay. Then 77. What is the total displacement in this one? So total displacement theta equals to what? Usually 2 pi n.
Yes, sir.
So finally it will be 144 pi I radians. This is the displacement. The initial
154
velocity.
meter.
Huh?
154 meter.
154. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 154 radians. Initial velocity, angular velocity, acceleration, displacement, then you have to find the time. See, so theta equals to omega naught t plus 1 by 2 alpha t square. So from this find t equals to what? Theta is 154 and omega naught is 0 plus 1 by 2 into alpha is 8 into t square. So t square equals to 154 by 5. 154 by divided by 4. T equals to how much? How much will you get? 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 3, 12, 34. 154. How much will you get? Multiply with by R. Pi is 3.14. Approximately 7 minutes, sir. Mm-hmm. 483.54. 120. T equals to root 120.
Sir, 21.9 will come.
10 minus approximately 11. 120, 121, 40 equals 11. Understand? Right. If we start talking about one constant and parallel acceleration, then we complete zero rotation in first 2 seconds. Then the number of rotations made by it in next 2 seconds. So it is a stationary wave. So initially it is rest and it is rotating with constant acceleration at 9. If the wheel completes with rotation in first 2 seconds, then the number of rotations made by next 2 seconds. So in the first 2 seconds, t equals to 2. And how many rotations when you finish that? 50 rotations. Number of rotations equals to 50. The next 2 seconds, how many rotations is finished? First find the acceleration. Find the acceleration. See, n equals to 50, n equals to 50. Then what is the displacement? Displacement equals to pi n total displacement. T equals to 100 pi radians. So from the same formula, theta equals to what? Ut plus half ut, omega naught plus half alpha t square. Time you know. So theta equals to 100 by 0 plus 1 by 2 into alpha you have to calculate. Time equals to how much? 2 square. From this alpha equals to how much? 1 to 10 answer, that is 50 pi. Yeah? This is alpha. Okay. Now how many revolutions in next 2 seconds? Next 2 seconds. For next 2 seconds, consider same thing. That is first theta calculate. So theta equals to omega naught t plus 1 by 2 alpha t square. So this time you use t equals to 4 seconds. So this time t equals to how much? 4 seconds. Total seconds. Total displacement if we calculate. So first 2 seconds we already got. This is in 2 seconds. 2. And this is in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. T equals to 4. So therefore theta 4 equals to 0 plus 1 by 2 into 50 pi into 4 square. Into 4 square. So therefore theta 4 how much you will get? 4 square means 16 by 2 is 8 5 are 400
Yes, sir.
45 radians. This is for total 4 seconds. And for 2 seconds how much we got? 100 pi. Then what is the remaining for last 2 seconds? For last 2 seconds theta equals to how much? 400 pi minus
100 pi.
100 pi. Theta equals to how much?
300.
300 pi radians. This is the total displacement. But what they are asking? Number of revolutions. So number of revolutions equals to what? So that equals to, we know that.
Number of rotation.
So theta is nothing but a 2 pi n. Therefore n equals to theta by 2 pi. So theta is nothing but a 300 pi. And n 2 pi by 2 pi. Which is equals to 150. Understood and finished?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Twentieth one. If f equals to 2i minus 3j, f equals to 2i minus 3j Newton, and r equals to 3i plus 2j meters. Then the torque. So torque they are asking. Usually torque tau equals to what? So r cross f
Yes, sir.
to r cross f. So r cross f is nothing but a matrix method. I, j, k. R first. 3, 2, j, k cap is not there, therefore 0. And f 2 minus 3, again here also k is not there, 0. If nothing they have given, then you can put 0. So therefore from this I cap into 0 plus 0 na minus j into 0 plus k into minus 9 minus 4. Understood? So therefore finally minus 13 k cap. So you can understand by this. See, I cross j. I cross j. So means the f and r value are in xy plane only. Then the resultant must be in the z axis, no? Yes or no? Z axis. Next one. Finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Sir. Yes, sir. Finished.
Excuse me, sir.
So next one. A crowbar of length 120 centimeter has its fulcrum situated at a distance of 20 centimeter from the load. Okay. So here let us consider this is load and this is effort. Total distance is 120 centimeter. So from the load, then what is the fulcrum? This is the end. Means fulcrum means like this. We suspend in here only. We suspend. That is called as fulcrum. So then normal force will be acting in upward direction here. So what is distance? This distance is 20 centimeter. Then remaining 100 centimeters. Then what is the mechanical advantage they're asking? Mechanical. So what is the mechanical advantage? So effective effort distance means effort arm by load arm. Huh? Remember? Effort arm by load
Yes.
arm. Or load by effort.
By
Load by effort or effort arm by load arm. Therefore mechanical advantage equals to, that is 100 by No units for mechanical. Next one. So rotational inertia of a solid bodies means rotational inertia, moment of inertia now. Three particle of masses 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram are at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeter from the axis of rotation. So suppose this is the axis of rotation. This is the axis of rotation, and three objects are at 1 centimeter distance, at 2 centimeter distance, at 3 centimeter distance of mass. So here M1, M2, M3, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. Then what they are asking? The moment of inertia of the system and radius of gyration. So what is the moment of inertia? This system of particles. What is the moment of inertia of system of particles? I equals to m
mr square.
r1 mr square for total. Usually you can write for total moment of inertia if we consider I equals to mr square or mk square. Mk square you will write, okay. R or k both are what? Radius of gyration. Mk square. This is for system of particles. So for for total moment of inertia. For system of particles, if we consider, then this will be what? I equals to m r1 square plus m r2 square plus m r3 square. So substitute the values 1 gram into 1 centimeter. So 1 plus 1 into 2 square. So 2 square equals to how much? That is 2, sorry. 2 into 2 square. So that is 4 plus 3 into 3 square. That is 9. How much it is? I equals to 1 plus 8 plus 9, 3 9 27.
Yes, sir.
So finally, I equals to what?
36.
36.
36. 36 gram per gram centimeter square. Because we are considering centimeters only. So gram centimeter square. Next, radius of gyration they are asking what? Radius of gyration. Right? So what is the radius of gyration? See, moment of inertia I equals to mr square. Total. Where r is the radius of gyration. So therefore r equals to what we can write? I by m, I by total mass. Total moment of inertia by total mass. So square root of I by m. Therefore r equals to root of I is 36 gram centimeter square divided by m. Total mass is how much? So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 grams.
6.
Right? Root 6. Root 6 equals how much? 2 point something. 4 centimeters. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
ಹಾ.
Sir, we can also write 2.45 centimeters, sir.
You can write.
Okay, sir.
Right.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
Next one. Problem ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ moment of inertia. The ratio of moments of inertia of two solid spheres of same mass but densities in the ratio 1:8 is, see, two solid spheres they have given, their densities they have given, that is density d1 by d2 equals to how much, that is 1/8 they have given, and its masses are same, it seems. Two solid spheres, oh, its masses are same, but they did not given anything about so let us consider this is m1 and this is m2. Densities are changed and volume will be changes now. So now see here, the mass of first one equals to mass of second one. They are asking what is the moment of inertia of these two. This is the moment of inertia you have to count. See, mass is same means this can be written as density into volume now. So density into volume equals to density into volume. So densities ratios you know. Okay. So density, I have considered D na. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ or rho I should write d1 into v1 equals to d2 into v2, that is density into volume is nothing but a mass. So mass equals to density into volume. So d1 into volume equals to what? Volume, solid sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Let us consider this is 1 r1 and this is r2 equals to d2 into 4/3 pi r2 cube. 4/3 pi 4/3 cancel. Finally, you will get r1 by r2. What you will get? r1 by r1 cube by r2 cube equals to d2 by d1. So finally, r1 by r2 equals to square root of, sorry, cube root of so d2 by d1 whole power 1 by 3. d2 we know. What is the d2?
R1
d1
by
by
R2
d2
is
we
equal to
know.
1
d1
by
by
2.
d2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, d2 by d2 will be 8 by 1 whole power 1 by 3. Finally, what you will get? r1 by r2 equals to 2 by 1 na?
Yes, sir.
So moment of inertia they are asking. Moment of inertia of a solid sphere equals to what? I equals to
MR square.
moment. Yesterday I told you to remember moment of inertia of solid sphere at its center, passing through its center of mass, passing through its center of mass, that equals to what? 2 by 5 mr square. What is the formula? 2 by 5 mr square, where r is the radius. So finally, I1 by I2 equals to what? So 2 by 5 m1 r1 square divided by 2 by 5 m2 r2 square. Since m1 equals to m2, therefore 2 by 5 cancel. So I1 by I2 equals to what? r1 square by r2 square, which is equals to 4 by 1. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for next one?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
You
sir.
had a class, no? Next. So next one, see. Problem number is 23. This is 24. The radius of solid sphere is r and its density d. When it is made to rotate about an axis passing through any diameter of the sphere, expression for its moment of inertia is. So moment of inertia I equals to, this is a solid sphere, axis passing through any diameter of the sphere, nothing but passing through its center of mass. What is the formula? Means 2 by 5 mr square, usually 2 by 5 mr square. Again, mass equals to what? Density into volume. Density into volume. So mass equals to density into volume equals to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3. Density they have given capital D. So density they have given capital D. Mass equals to density into volume. So M equals to density they have given D into volume equals to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. I equals to 2 by 5 into mass is nothing but a density into 4 by 3 pi r cube into r square. How much you will get? I equals to 2 by 5 into 4 by 3, 8 by 15 d pi r cube into r square. 3 plus 2, 5, r 4, 5 kg meter per second, meter square. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. So, sir came, ma. Which class now? Chemistry for you?
Max, sir.
Raja,
Maths.
Rajarao, sir?
Sir.
Okay. Continue, sir. Okay, students. Bye bye. Continue in the
Bye,
next class.
sir.
Take care.
Hi, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.